Today's video, we are going to be going through my January MDs. Let's get to it. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video, we are going to go through my January's beauty MDs. There's quite a bit to get through, so let's get started. Yeah, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Right guys, so the first three products I'm going to mention are from my roll-in skincare project 10 pan. I will link the series just there. In the next day or two I'm going to be uploading an update on it, so this is a little spoiler. So yeah, the first one I have to mention is this. It's probiotic by Doctor's Formula repairing 12-hour protection moisturizer. Yeah, such a good moisturizer. We have this, it's by the brand Mono Skin, and this is the Rosewood Reviving Mist. Really enjoyed using this. Not only after cleansing your skin can you spritz it on your face and use it that way, you can also use it on top of makeup as well, which I did quite a lot. It refreshes your makeup. I think it's fab. And then we have this, it's by the brand Pixie, and this is their Skin Treats Collagen Tonic. Yeah, super enjoyed this. I love using the Pixie tonics that they have. They have a range of different ones, and this is an awesome one. Right, so I have some little sachets here. So the first one is this. It's by the brand L'Oreal, and this is the, what one is it? Hyaluronic acid anti-wrinkle serum. Obviously it's just a little sachet. I got a couple of uses out of it, and guys, this is lovely on the skin. My skin really did feel hydrated. And then last month I actually remembered to use some of my eye masks, which is a miracle because I'm so forgetful at the moment. It was really nice to get them used. So these are by one of my favorite eye mask brands, Beauty Pro. So we have this one, which is the retinol under eye patch, and then we have this one, which is the eye therapy under eye mask with collagen, green tea and vitamin A and E. Love both of these equally, love them, can only recommend these. Amazing. I have a shower gel, or should I say a shower foam. This smells absolutely amazing. It says Cocoa Cocktail from Bioloo. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Made with love, creamy shower foam. It smelled so tropical. It was a pleasure to use. I have this, it's by the brand Christoph Robin, and it is a cleansing, purifying scrub with sea salt. So this is for the scalp. I've never been one for scalp scrubs, if I'm 100% honest with you. But guys, this really changed my opinion on that. My scalp felt absolutely amazing. So yeah, would definitely use this again and again. Right, so now we have this. This I've actually done a video on, so I'm going to link that just there. Give it a click and head over for my full review. What I will say, it gave me a little taste of what it was like to have dark hair again. But this is by the brand Bleach London. It's the Fade to Grey Charcoal Grey Toner. I don't want to go too much into detail. Again, if you want to know more about this, go and watch my review video. Now I've got a facial wash. It is by the brand Elemis. I really love Elemis, absolutely adore Elemis products, and this is the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash. So this was more of like an exfoliator, but a really gentle one. Yeah, amazing. I have something by the brand Serene, and this is the Aqua Hydrating Mask. This was so nice to use. It is an overnight skincare mask. I just slathered this on my face before bedtime, and yeah, just help to keep my face just soft and supple, especially lately because my skin has been so dry and crusty. It can be combination where every now and then it's oily, but yeah, lately definitely dry, definitely crusty, which is lovely. But I did find that this helped with that. This, it is a serum. It is a collagen serum by Water Luxury Skincare. This serum is so gorgeous on the skin. Again, thoroughly enjoyed it. The brand has just contacted me actually. They are going to be sending me a couple of products out from the vitamin C range to try out, so really excited to try those out. This wasn't gifted. I think this was in one of the beauty boxes that I buy, but yeah, I absolutely loved it. Face mask time, and we have this one by Emma Hardy. I have done a review video on this. I will link it just up there for you, so make sure to check it out. I'm not going to go into detail about it because you have to watch the review to get to know all about it. But this is the Moringa Renewal Treatment Mask. I have this. This is actually new to me. Normally I use a different translucent setting powder, but yeah, I saw this one by Revolution. I thought, why haven't I tried this one before? It's a little bit more expensive than the one I normally use. I normally use by Natural Collection or Collection in Boots, but you do get like 3, possibly 4 times more. I think it's 3 times more in here, so collectively this works out cheaper, and it's such a nice setting powder, I find. In anyway, I love it, and I have repurchased more. Product by Revolution. This is their Sport FX Lasting Fixin' Spray. Yeah, loved it. I loved the spray on it. I loved how it felt on my face. I really felt like it helped my makeup last longer. So yeah, massive thumbs up. We have Illamasqua product here, and it is one of their highlighters. It's Beyond Powder Highlighter in the shade Oh My God. So I can't even show you what the shade was like because like it's all gone. Look at that. Every little bit is being used up. This lasted such a long time, which I really appreciated. Yeah, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. It didn't show up like I had glittery bits on my face. It went on really smoothly. So yeah, what else do you want from a highlighter? I have a leave-in scalp tonic here. It's by the brand Brave New Hair. It just says it's soothing and moisturising leave-in scalp tonic with AHA's fermented aloe, hyaluronic acid and prebiotic. Yeah, this really helped to hydrate my scalp. Although I must say I don't really have a problem with a dry scalp, but all the same, this was absolutely freaking gorgeous on my scalp. As a hair product, we have this. It is by the brand Moroccan Oil, and yeah, it is a Moroccan Oil treatment, and it is for fine and light coloured hair, and it is their light one. Yeah, it actually lasted such a long time. It doesn't look like it would, but it really did. A little goes a long way. Next we have this. It's by the brand Sanex, and it's an antiperspirant. It is their sensitive one. Along with this is Impulse, and this is the Hint of Musk. These you will always see in my Empties. My mum used to get these, and ever since she passed away I've been getting them so I can use them. I just find it really comforting that I can smell something familiar. I have a hair mask. This is by the brand Bleach London, and it is their reincarnation mask. I again have done a review video on this, so I'm not gonna talk about this at all. If you want to know my thoughts on this, go and view my review video, and yes, see what I think there. So I managed to use or finish off another toner in January. It is this one. This is by the brand Q&A, and it's their Niacinamide Daily Toner. It was okay. I don't know, I didn't notice anything special about it, if I am absolutely honest, but it was all right. Next we have a perfume. This is by Beyonce, and it is her Heat perfume. And what does it smell like again? Oh, it's another squirt in there. Yeah, it's actually a really nice perfume. I would definitely use it again. I think after an hour or two, it kind of gets very subtle to the point where it practically disappears. I must admit I do like my perfumes to stick around for a bit longer than that. I got through some little mini perfumes as well. So this is by Jimmy Choo and it is I Want You. Yeah, gorgeous. I would love a full-size perfume in that. It's just delightful, really delightful. This one is Girl of Now Lovely by Ellie Saab. Very, very pleasant. Again, I would absolutely love a full size one of those in my collection, definitely. And this one, yeah, no, the thing is rubbed off. I can't tell what it is, so yeah, sorry about that. I can't tell you what that one is. It's a surprise. So I managed to get through a mascara, or finish off a mascara, and anyway, this is by Essence and it's their Lash Princess False Lash Effect, and their waterproof one. Yeah, I love Essence Lash Princess mascaras. They are absolutely fantastic. Definitely worth the money. One thing I did notice with this, towards the end of the day I did have a little bit of crumbling happening, which was a bit of a bummer, but still a lovely, lovely mascara. I have this by Hygiene and it is the hyaluronic acid concentrate. If you need a moisture boost to your skin, this is definitely something to give a try. It certainly gave me one hell of a moisture boost. Absolutely amazing. Would love a full-size product of this. So I finally managed to get this used up. I've had it such a long time. Maybe I should have chucked it a while ago, but this is by The Ordinary and it is the Buffet serum, the peptide serum. Again, it's all right because of its affordability. I suppose that's what makes it good. So yeah, I wouldn't personally go out and buy it again, but if I had it in a beauty box or something like that, I would be happy. I think like on the first day of January, I managed to use up the last of this. It's a bronzer by Wonder Beauty and it's Trip for Two bronzer. Yeah, a trip to Costa Rica. Lovely, lovely bronzer. Yeah, nothing really more to say about it. So like last month I have another one of these in here. This is a Dermablade. I love using these, although I am thinking about going back to waxing again, just to try that out. I've noticed since I've been using this, yes, it's been fantastic. I love, my makeup goes on so nice, but I am having a few more breakouts around this area here, yeah, which I haven't been happy about. So yeah, I'm thinking, should I get my wax machine out and give that another go? Just because I'm lazy and this is just so much easier to use, but we will see. I will always have a collection of these in my drawer. So I was in Lush before Christmas and I was given a sample pot of their body lotion, and this is their Snow Fairy body lotion, and oh my god, smells like absolute heaven. In my Project 10 pan, the Rolling Skincare one that I'm doing, there is this in there, but it's not the sample size, it's actually a full size one. So yeah, I managed to get through the sample size one. It's so nice. The only thing I will say about this is when you are massaging into your skin, obviously that's how you get it all over your body, it tints your hands a little bit. The palms of my hands and my fingers are a little bit pink. Not obviously so, but you can tell a little bit. But yeah, yes, I will go out and buy this again if they've got it, because the smell is amazing. And a little hairspray by Percy and Reed here. Yeah, this is their Stronghold hairspray. This is just like a little deluxe size. It's like 50 mils. Yeah, it's a really nice hairspray. I would definitely use this again, which is great because I have another 2 or 3 of these in my collection to use. So yeah, I can totally recommend. And I think their packaging, Percy and Reed packaging, is adorable. So I've got a Balance Me product here. This is their Collagen Boost Moisturiser. This is one of my favourite ones to get by them, their Collagen Moisturiser. My skin seems to love it, so I can't complain at that. And last but not least, I have this. It's by the brand Philip Kingsley, and it is their Elasitizer. And guess what, guys? I've done a video on this too. I am going to link that video just up there. Give it a click. And yeah, go and find out my thoughts on it, because I'm not going to say anything more here. So that is my January beauty empties, and I'm over the moon with how much products I've managed to get through. Amazing. So chuffed with myself. Well done me. Yeah, the products that I've said that I've done videos on, I will link those videos. Not only have I linked them at the top of the screen when I've showed them, I'll also link the videos in the information box and the comment boxes as well. So give them a click and go give them a watch. Yeah, I think I've done really well this month. I've managed to get a few face masks in here, a few eye masks, a few hair masks, a bit of everything really. Yeah, let's roll on to next month, and hopefully I can keep up this good behaviour, fingers crossed. So yeah guys, comment down below and let me know your thoughts on the products that I've used. Have you got any of your favourites among them lot there? That concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.